Now to our final award for the day, the HVAC&R Leader of the Year Award, sponsored by Refrigerant Reclaim Australia. Once again, this was an extremely competitive category, and selecting a winner wasn't easy. Our three finalists are Greg Dalton, Managing Director, System Air; Ruben Kelly, Director, AFA Air; Vinny Kumar, General Manager, Hussmann. I would now like to invite Refrigerant Reclaim Australia General Manager, Kylie Farrelly, to announce the winner. Kylie?
Thanks, Lindy. This is a fantastic award because it recognises high achievers who have contributed to the development and the betterment of our industry. Winners of this award need to demonstrate vision, dedication and, of course, leadership. So I'm very pleased to be able to announce the 2020 HVAC Leader of the Year. And congratulations to Hussmann General Manager Vinny Kumar.
Okay, so unfortunately, I don't think we've been able to get Vinny on the line, but congratulations, Vinny. You are the 2020 HVAC&R Leader of the Year, and your industry, your colleagues, and all of us at CCN are very proud of you.